Many women feel unsatisfied with the appearance of their breasts, especially after pregnancy or breastfeeding. If you have decided you want to make changes to the appearance of your breasts, but are uncertain which procedure is right for you, we are here to help. Mastopexy, or a breast lift, is for women with breasts that show a significant amount of sagging. If you answer yes to most of these questions, you are likely a good candidate for a breast lift. Can I place a pencil horizontally under the crease of my breast and it stays put? Do my nipples point downward? Are my breasts flat or elongated? Do I have pendulous or tubular breasts? Are my areolas stretched or enlarged? Am I unhappy with how much my breasts droop or sag? With a breast lift, the skin is tightened and excess skin is removed to reshape the contour of the breasts. Your nipples are repositioned higher on the breast with more forward projection. Stretched or enlarged areolas can be reduced in size to look more proportionate. While a breast lift provides a more youthful look and shape, it is not meant to increase the size of your breasts, which requires a breast augmentation. If you lack fullness in your breasts or want to add volume for any reason, breast implants will increase the breast size. You can choose from a variety of implant sizes, shapes, and materials to get the particular look that fits your expectations. Also, if one breast is visibly smaller in appearance than the other, implants can correct the imbalance to create a more symmetrical figure. If you have had only mild sagging but desire more fullness, you may not need a breast lift, as the implants themselves will provide somewhat of a lift to your breasts. However, implants do add volume to sagging breasts while also adding more weight to stretched skin that may already struggle to support breast tissue well. If your breasts sag more severely, we will discuss with you the option of combining implants with a breast lift. While our practice offers our patients all implant options to address their personal needs, we are especially proud to be an ideal implant premier surgeon practice. This latest advancement in breast implant technology now allows women to enjoy the beautiful look and natural feel they want with a peace of mind of only saline inside. This exciting advancement also offers the lowest rates of rupture and capsule contracture compared to other options at 8 years following primary breast augmentation. Every body is different, and in our practice, we are committed to working closely with you to determine which course of action helps you look and feel your best. Simply make an appointment with our office for a no-obligation personal consultation.